Yeah, what you doing? Reading a book. You know why? Because part of the video today, you feel me? And your boy Adsate is back. Back in another banger, you feel me? Like, damn, bring top 20 video ideas, you feel me? Because I got no ideas. Where's the ball? Yeah, what you doing? Reading a book because your boy Adsate is back, you feel me? Obviously I'm back with another banger, you feel me? Yo bro, why do you keep on saying that name? Is that name to never be top? Yeah boy. So obviously I came across this article, you feel me? Like, I was like, bro, I need some ideas for my video. So I looked into it, like, obviously they gave me some ideas, but I was like, which one's actually gonna work? So I was like, yeah, let's just try it out, see which one works, you feel me? Ideas. So, and if you want immeasurable drip, remember, like, comment, and subscribe, and you'll be like me. Drip too hard, don't stay too close. Alright guys, today we're gonna make pancakes, you feel me? Obviously we got the ingredients right there. We got 2 eggs, some milk, you feel me? We got some flour, because I didn't want to buy a baking powder, you feel me? It's too expensive for me. This is a budget video, you feel me? Alright, let's start. The first thing you do, obviously, put some flour in the bowl, you feel me? Now, obviously, y'all see like, make it nice, you feel me? The little the flour, the better, you feel me? Then you break some eggs inside. Put some eggs, obviously I'll just put some eggs inside. Start just maybe 1 egg, I'm not making that much, you feel me? Like, add some milk, because obviously water is water is overrated, you feel me? Obviously, put some milk inside, you feel me? Obviously I ain't got no sugar, you feel me? But I'm sugar, so I'm just gonna put some sugar inside. No. Hey guys, today we're gonna read this book, you feel me? It's all about English. I am not one with English. Those are new A1s, man. Boy, those shoes are glistening. Let's pick it up and see. Oh my god, look at the swoosh, man. Oh god, the shit glistening. Glistening on the swoosh on me. Red and blue, perfect contrast, you feel me? Boy, these A1s are legendary, man. Let's pick up the second. Let's see a second. Oh my god, it's got a red laces, man. Oh god, boy. Yo, look at it. Oh my god. Let's take a big look. Oh my god. Ignore that Air Jordan. I didn't say Air Jordan. I said Air Wounds, man. The Adidas Air Wounds, man. Boy, it's glistening. Oh my god, look underneath, man. The color grading change. You feel me? Everyone's copping right now. On God. Welcome back to the PS6 review. It's your boy adsate. I just caught the PS6. I go and send it to me. You feel me? Like obviously they went with retro design. You feel me? Like retro kind of look. 16K, 420 FPS. You can never have too much resolution, man. 84 gigabytes of RAM. Boy, do I need to say more? No more needs to be said, man. Also, we got like we got a GPU, graphics processor. I can't specify because I was told not to. You feel me? I was told not to. But yeah, I died early. I want to start playing myself. I can't show you footage, obviously, because like it's too soon, you feel me? But yeah, I'm telling you, you should copy this when it comes out. Copy it. You feel me? Best thing you've ever seen. Apparently, it's better than the CPU and the system you've ever seen, man. PS6, buy it now. Alright, this is how to eat like a queen, you feel me? Like, obviously, this is going to teach you how to have proper manners on the table, you feel me? On God. Boom, there you go, your boy outside. Say, here, you feel me? Obviously, like, we have the basics, you feel me? Like, obviously, pinky out when you're holding the cup. It's quite simple to get me, so obviously, I'm going to get this one first. The tea bag, the water. Like, there, mate. Obviously, if you're posh like me, you know, like, you always put your tea bag first before the water, so it properly dissolves inside your flavors, you feel me? Obviously, like, the American way you boil your tea, like, that's some dumb shit, man. Excuse my words. I'm not meant to say that, I apologize. Obviously, like, it begins the second part. What you're meant to do is like, you're meant to have a posh on the table, you get me? You stand up with class, you move with class, and you walk with class, man. You feel me? Now let's get into the next part. Alright, so we're about to get into the next part. Obviously, like, type down in the comment section, what type of tea do you take? Do you take Lipton? If you do, then don't speak to me no more, you feel me? Like, bro, we ain't no friends no more. But if you take PG tips, I'll let you stay. Obviously, that's not class. But it's alright, Now, I know what you're wondering, like, what I'm about to do here, I have the spoons and forks in the perfect arrangement. But that's not posh, you feel me? And obviously, you have to try to build a pyramid, man, on the go. It's not playing with your food if you're not playing with your food, because I ain't got no food, you feel me? Like, bro, you gotta set it up, bro, you get me? Like, this is your food knife, like that. And then put your spoon in between, and it stands like a pyramid. And normally, you have a napkin, you get me? You put a napkin over it, and that's how they form them pyramids. You feel me? Like, you gotta be posh, man. That other style is overrated. Follow me for more tips. Let's go. Wait a second. I don't have enough money for this. Alright guys, I'm gonna prank my mom and dad, man. I got peanut butter, you feel me, bro? I'm gonna make them put their hands inside and think of shit. You feel me? Let's get into it, I'll see how it goes, man.
Few moments later.
Come back here, where are you running? Cancel culture, boy. He just got canceled. He's lying. Cancel culture. There's some bullshit. I don't know what to say. He's just canceled. You know what? That's some bullshit. You know what? I don't care. Cut the video, man. Alright, guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? Obviously, like, all these ideas are actually good. They can actually help the channel grow. Obviously, I'll always exaggerate to all of them, but they're actually good. I mean, if you do them and you blow, you know who to thank, man. Remember to subscribe and like the video, please. It helps. Yeah. that's it.